Good morning. Today we will the economic subject unit number third. Third A section tomorrow. Third unit number third electricity demand. The introduction, concept and types of demand. The introduction in the previous chapter have already studied the law of demand, which of the inverse relation between quantity and demand and price of commodity. The law of demand does not explain the extent of the change in the due of the change of price. The price is more than, demand is less than. The demand in the change in the price of the law of demand in the following explanation quantity of relation between price of quantity demanded. Dr. Alfred Marshall in the explanation of concept electricity demands. The concept of electricity demands. Concept of electricity demand. Means the term of electricity indicates of responsiveness in the variable of the change in the variable of electricity demand refer the degree of responsiveness and quantity demand on the change of price the other factor. The demand quality demanded in the change of the price in other factor the according Professor Marshall electricity demand in the great in small according the amount of demanded the rise in the little give of the fall price of quantity demand fall the much little of the give rise and price. It is clear from the above definition in electricity demand the technical term of the decipher responsiveness in change of the quantity demand for rise the price. The price is less than, quantity is the more than. The other words, the ratio of percentage change in the quantity demand in commodity with the percentage change in the price. Number one, types of electricity demand. Number one, income electricity demand. Second, cross electricity. Third, price electricity. Types of electricity demand. Electricity demand. Number first, income electricity. Second, cross electricity. Third, price electricity. The number one, income electricity. It refers the degree of difference in the change of the quantity demand in the change of the income only. Other factors include of the price remain in change of the expression. UI is equal to percentage change quantity demand upon percentage change of price UI is equal to percentage data quantity Q upon percent data Y is equal to price income area represent change. Q is equal to original demand Y is equal to original income and data Q is equal to change quantity change of quantity demanded and data Y is equal to change income. EY is equal to percentage change in the quantity demand upon percentage change in the price. EY is equal to percent data Q upon percentage data Y. Data is equal to represent something. Q for original demand, Y for original income. Data Q is change of the quantity demand. Data Y is equal to change of the income electricity demands. Second, cross electricity. Cross electricity demand. It refers the change in the quantity demanded in the commodity due to change of the price of the commodity is equal to in bracket complementary goods of the substitute goods. EC is equal to percent change in quantity A upon percent change of price B goods in bracket A is equal to original commodity and B is equal to other commodity. Similarly, examples is equal to percentage data QA upon percentage data PB is equal to data QA upon QA into data PB upon PB is equal to data QA upon QA into data PB data PB. Where is the original quantity of demanded? Explain cross electricity demand. Where Q1 is equal to original quantity demand a commodity data QA is equal to change in quantity demanded commodity A. PB is equal to original price of commodity B, and data PB is equal to change in price commodity B. Third, price electricity. Third types of price electricity. Meaning, according to Professor Marshall, as the price electricity demand is the ratio of proper net to change in the quantity demand in commodity to given proper net of change of the price. It is equal to ED is equal to percentage change quantity demanded upon percentage change of price ED is equal to electricity demand is equal to data Q upon Q upon that data P upon P. ED is equal electricity demand is equal to data Q upon Q into P data P upon data P. Where is the Q is equal to original quantity data Q is equal to difference between the new quantity and original quantity demanded P is equal to original price and delta P is equal to difference between new price and original price. So explain the first price electricity, cross electricity and income electricity. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will see the types of electricity demanded: perfectly earned electricity, utility electricity, and electric electricity and electric of unelectricity. Thank you so much.